Good morning, guys! Welcome back to my channel! Samahan nyo kami today. We are here at Cattle Moraine. Cattle Moraine. What? Forest? State Park. Okay, so we drove like 2.5 or almost 3 hours here in Cattle Moraine. It's in Wisconsin. It's an out-of-state trip again today with the girls. So right now we are going for a trail hike. So come and join us, guys. I'm gonna show you what's to discover here, and it's really cool. The weather is so nice today, and hopefully we'll have, you know, we'll see scenic views a bit later. So those are the girls. I'm with Hannah, with Laika, and with Kath. So come on, guys, join us. Let's have some fun. Oh my gosh, so if you guys can see, this one gives, like, you know, parang twilight feels. Oh my gosh, it is so nice. It's beautiful. Ang ganda. Crazy. Beautiful nature. We are so blessed here in the Midwest na meron kaming, alam mo yun, parang advantage to travel from one state to another na car lang. Tapos appreciate the nature because this is God's gift. Beautiful. Nice. Meron pong nangyayaring competition kung sino ang pinaka mas mataas mag-stretch. Oh my gosh. Good luck, guys. So this is the easy trail. Ganda, may pathway talaga for people. May nakita ko kanina, may naka-stroller yung baby. So it's friendly for everybody. Easy trail. Super nice. Love it here.
Run ka naman, te, kunwari. Jogger. Ayan. Tapos ikot ka dito. Yan. Okay.
Sayang na po yung puno.
Yun na yung puno, guys.
Yellow, pero hindi pa ganun ka foliage.
Sige, ate, walk ka. Maganda nga talaga sana siya, ate, oh.
No? Oh, wala na. Dito, guys, hindi na talaga.
Please.
Ayun ka, pwede yung 20. Ay, buti ka nga. Sino? Ayun, ako sana tayo yung review. Oo, yun na. So guys, we are too early for the foliage. Yun kasi talaga yung pinaka-target namin because last year masyado kaming late. Yung leaves, yung color ng leaves is marang brown na talaga. So this year we wanted to experience foliage na sana yung perfect yung color, yung parang orange going to red. But pumunta kami dito para doon, but this time it's green pa most of the trees, and it's too early pa. So probably sana makahanap pa kami ng another state park next time na perfect na yung timing namin with the foliage. But it was a good walk. Super nice here. The weather is so great. Hindi siya malamig, hindi siya mainit. It's perfect for walking and some exercise. So I'll catch you up, guys, later. Pupunta naman kami sa Madison to get some lunch. See you there. As if you really don't recall the time we were going right then. We never talk about it. Hi guys, we are here now at Madison. Hi girls. Look at those girls. So cute. See? It's so nice here. So Madison, ano siya, is a very city. Maraming mga students, maraming mga bata kasi maraming schools dito. So, maraming pasyalan, maraming kainan. So, these are the establishments and we're gonna look for the restaurant we're gonna eat for lunch. Uy, sushi! Oh my gosh. This is exciting. So, come with us, guys. We're going for lunch. Yay! So here we go. We're gonna eat Poke Plus and teriyaki. Yay! Let's welcome. So cozy. Small lang siya, pero it's cute.
I'll get cabbage,
Me too.
cucumber,
Cucumber, what else?
and then jalapenos.
One more time, sorry.
The jalapeno.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, what else?
And some onion. Just a little.
You said only a little?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then
For your protein.
I'm gonna get the poke tuna and then the shrimp.
Alright, for your sauces.
I'll just get poke and then spicy mayo.
Poke and mayonnaise.
Okay.
And then garnishes.
Can I have ginger and the seaweed?
So one more time.
Ginger and the dried seaweed.
This is our Poke.
This is our poke.
This is our Poke.
Filipino, pero iba siya sa...
Kaya nga. Weird. Yum. Alright, up next, after lunch, we're gonna get some cold drink. Going Jamba. Let's go. Hello, sunshine. Hello. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful here. Fall in Madison. We're going to Capitol next. We're just gonna walk. It's a 5-minute walk. Guys, kasi ang daming tao dito. I mean, hindi naman sa walang tao doon sa amin, pero ang dami talagang tao dito, like all ages, but most of them talaga are students, I think. Kaya nakakatuwa. Okay, the refreshment na. We're just walking now, going to the Capitol. That's the Overture Center. Look at those trees, so cute. Guys, so legal dito. Oh my gosh. Legal dito. Ang marijuana, ang lahat ng mga bawal na gamot. Char, lahat ng bawal na gamot talaga. Daming mga stores dito. Gosh. So guys, tingnan nyo yan. Come say hi. Nakakaloka kayo. THC. Ito pa. Come in. We'd love to say hi. O, diba? Magkakatabihan sila dito. Kalerks. Let's go. Yan yung Overture Center of the Arts. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dun sa loob. Ay, hindi kita. Pogi ni Kuya. Daming gwapo dito sa Wisconsin ah. Ang gwapo nung nakasulubong natin. Ayun, may mga arts doon sa loob guys. But, of course, can't see. Okay. What's nice about here guys, oh, iba-iba talaga. So, merong Greek, merong authentic Nepali cuisine. Ito naman, Taiwan. And then, on this side naman, Chinese. Ang dami, like, lahat ng restaurants andito. very nice. Hi guys! So ito lang yung medyo may kulay na puno. Yeah! It's giving fall season vibes. Let's go! So nice! Fall for me, Liz! Fall for me! Saka sa'yo? Yung malala na. There you go! Peace out! Peace out! Wow, look at that! Their capital is so beautiful. Ganda! Alright, we're gonna cross the street. We're gonna come closer. Let's go. Okay. Up close with the capital. It's really nice. Amazing. So, everybody get the memo? Oh, everybody's wearing boots and skirt. These girls are mini skirts and I'm the longest skirt.
Hi guys, so this is what Ate Shad's job really is.
Voice over, naririnig ko.
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot here. Stop.
Napaka-arte.
Contestant number 1.
Ay, oh.
Picture ba yan, girl? Or
Picture lang
yan?
ako.
Ay, picture lang pala.
Gusto mo ba video?
Alright, so this is the closer look of the capital. This is the side view. So, hanapin lang namin yung entrance going to the front. Let's go! Okay guys, so ito yung pinakaharap. Sabi ko nga, parang parehas lang dun sa side. Pero ang pinaka-difference lang is, pag zoom in natin ganyan, nakaharap yung pinaka... Statue of Liberty ba yan? Nasa pinaka-tuktok? Ano ba yan? Alright, so hindi na kami papasok sa loob kasi meron pa kaming next na pupuntahan. So, after dito sa Capitol, pupunta naman kami sa park. Anong tawag dun sa park? Jonathan ba yun? I'm so sorry guys, gumagawa lang talaga ako lang sarili kong pangalan. Pero ang totoo na pangalan ng park is James Park. So, tatambay kami doon. Chill kami doon. Tingnan namin kung nandun pa yung activity na nakita namin kanina when we drove kanina past by doon sa river or doon sa James Park. So, bye Madison! Nice to meet you. See you next time. Alright guys, come and join us to our next destination. Hi guys, so welcome to James Park. Meron silang mga event dito, pero feeling ko hindi para sa ikabubuti namin yung mga event na yan. Parang yung kanta, Drink So High. So, feeling ko yung party or yung event is for weeds or something. So, punta na lang kami dito sa parang beach area nila. So, ito yung beach nila dito guys. So, I'll show you. Tan-da-da-da! Ito na siya. Okay, ito guys, si Hannah. Ang aming bata na kasama. Maglalaro sa water. Go, Han. Ang gandahan. So nice there. I'll take a photo of you. Oh, Han. I'll take a photo of you, Han. 1, 2, 3, smile. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng mag-swimming, pero parang wala akong nakikitang nagsuswimming. Ang nakikita ko lang is mga tao lang na nandito sa gilid, nagpi-picnic at nagpapalipas ng oras. So, just like them, we're gonna also stay here. Chill-chill lang, palamig lang kami here. At kahit wala kaming blanket, dito lang kami nakaupo. And enjoying the view, enjoying the nature, spend time with friends. There you go. Bye guys. I'm gonna end my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you again in my next one. Bye!